So I firmly believe Cultivate is one of the main reasons that my child have grown as much as he had. I don't know where we would be without them today.
So when I think about Cultivate, I don't really think about the clinic itself. We think about the people that were there with us.
Cultivate made a positive impact on our family in a time where everything was new. An autism diagnosis was new, therapy was new, being a parent to a child with autism was new. We had this here. We have this facility. We have these people here in our town that understand what you're going through and that can help.
What we find important at Cultivate is to ensure that every child here is set up for success. And so what that means is always having the end goal in mind and ensuring that every child is going to be thriving in their natural environment, whether it be school or in the community or at home.
Our goal is to be able to allow our kiddos to access the treatment that they need in other environments. And so if we know what the challenges are in those environments, that helps us to align our treatment.
Cultivate definitely guided our family as far as getting everything in place that we needed to get done to have our insurance approved and get her started here.
Honestly, I think it laid the foundation to make him who he is today.
What better place to teach skills and what better individuals to teach skills than parents? And so we're really focused on getting parents involved in regular parent training and teaching parents how to generalize skills outside of therapy sessions.
Parent training was just as beneficial to us as ABA therapy was to him. And not just to us, you know, it was offered to extended family, and it was things that we could take, you know, to our parents and other family members and say, hey, this is why you're seeing him do this.
I had a really good relationship with my neuropsychologist at the time. And out of all three places that they recommended, this was definitely the one that she had that had the highest recommendations. And I mean, I trusted her judgment, so I trusted the way she had never really steered us wrong as far as different things that she had recommended for our daughter.
I think the benefit, again, was laying that foundation and then being able to use those tools. He was nonverbal, not really doing much, wasn't potty trained. You know, the minute we came here, he was talking, eating things. They potty trained him rather quickly.
The number one outcome from Cultivate was they gave us hope where we really didn't have much of anything to go on.
I took a leap not really knowing what I was going to jump into, and I would say that it was definitely one of the biggest things that was a turning point for my daughter's well-being. I mean, I don't know where she would be if we hadn't have brought her here.